Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Learning Biology with Dr. Vanessa. I'm so glad you're here. In today's video, we have a really special unboxing of some items that Know Yourself has sent to us. If you've never heard of Know Yourself is a company that specializes in workbooks on different parts of the body, such as the skeleton or the immune system. Really cool workbooks that allow children to be able to go through, learn about different bones, learn how different systems of the body work. You should really check them out. They also have these really fun blind boxes and blind bags with these Organauts that they've made. So they're modeled after different organs of the body. So you also are probably wondering who I have sitting here with me today. These are my daughters, who are going to assist me in unboxing and unveiling these different Organauts that we got. All right, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the two different options that Know Yourself has as far as the Organauts. So they have a blind box. This is a Series 1 blind box, and there's 8 different organs that could possibly be in here. Now, these are larger than the bag. The bag ones have a tiny keychain that they come with. They are also Series 1. So if you'll notice, the organs that you can possibly get are the same in either one. The ones in the box are bigger, and then these are a smaller keychain version. So go ahead and take a look at those. They are all the same for either one. So which one do you think we'll get in our unboxing?
I don't know. Comment down below.
For the bag and for the box.
Yeah.
All right. So the moment we've all been waiting for, the unboxing of these Organauts. So I'm going to give you a closer look again at what the different Organauts look like for Series 1, what we can possibly get. I'm also going to pop up a picture from their website that probably shows it a little bit clearer than what you're going to see here because of a little bit of the glare. But here you go. Again, you can see that we can get a combination of either organs like the heart or things like cocoa, that's a bacterium. Look at little Rocky, he's the gallbladder. So there's a combination of different things that we can possibly get. Again, this is Series 1. So if you think you may know what we got for this one, go ahead and comment down below if you haven't already and make your guess. I have my beautiful daughter here who is going to help unbox and open that.
Okay, where's that? Okay.
All right.
I think I see Rocky.
You think you see Rocky?
Oh,
What did you get? You want to show it here? All right, look at that.
Oh, Rocky's really cute.
We got
Very
Rocky.
cute.
He's so cute, and he's a keychain. Look how tiny that is.
I want to hold it.
Yeah, and go ahead and hold it up for 1 second. Something really cool in here is that we also have this, and it shows you what you can get again in here, okay, with all those. So these little tinies are keychains for Series 1, and you can put them on your backpack. It tells you if they are ultra rare, or common. So let's take a look at Rocky right here. And Rocky is common.
Okay,
so Rocky's a common one, okay? And so you can kind of see which ones may be rare and which ones may be a little bit harder to find. All right, and that was fun. So now we got the next one, which is the one that's slightly bigger. This is the blind box. Again, it could be any one of the same series. So if you haven't guessed what you think we got out of this one, go ahead and comment below. And I have my other beautiful daughter here who's going to help unboxing this one. What do you think she's going to get? Yes?
I don't know, but it might be her one she wanted, or I think it could be the heart.
You're going to guess the heart? All right, let's see what she gets.
There's another blind bag.
Got another blind bag inside that box.
That thing open.
What?
I think we got the one I wanted.
Ooh,
Dusty!
Dusty.
Oh, this is the one I wanted. Very cute.
Put it up close. Nice. And one of the cool things that comes with, we also get the same thing, so we can
Another
see the checklist, right? And we can see whether it's common. So let's find out what Dusty has.
Is common.
Dusty is also common. And something really cool that comes with these bigger ones is a card, a fact card that comes with it. So you can actually see what Dusty is. So he's an industrial parasite, and his strengths are he's extremely patient. His weaknesses is he's less effective when wet. He likes quarries, construction sites, and scratching up the lungs, and he dislikes air filters, okay? So here is Dusty. So what do you think Dusty is? Dusty is a particle that we can inhale, right, and bother us. So that is super cool.
I love it.
Very cute. Let's show the two of them on here so that we can see the size difference. So this was the blind box. And then this other one, can you show it?
Oh, it fell.
You dropped.
It fell.
And this other one was the Tinies, which is a keychain. How cute is that?
That is very
Okay, Series 1, Know Yourself, Organauts. Thank you so much for joining us in this really special video while we unbox the different Organauts from Know Yourself. If you're interested in purchasing some of these for yourself, I have my affiliate link down in the description box of the video. I appreciate your support. If you do go ahead and buy some of these, the blind bag with the tiny keychain or the bigger ones, come back and let us know what you got. Thanks again. Bye.